good, man. I work here.
Yeah. Put your hands on your head.
What are you doing?
Put your hands on your head.
What are you doing? I'm doing this to her.
Okay.
I'm doing this to her. That's what my brother does.
Who else is in the sport? Parrotti, stay with Jeff.
You work here.
I'll work with this. All right. We can find you back.
Yeah.
You work here? You work here? Everybody else in here? You ain't done no unit? Is there a gun in the store? You're allowed to have one. I just want to know for my protection.
I know how I'm not.
Where's the video camera? Cassette cord. To the court? To the court? Yeah, well, how many use it as evidence? We're just showing drug paraphernalia, so we got to go video. You get yourself on video showing drug paraphernalia. It's illegal. It's illegal. Oh, you have like 7 or 8 eyes. Yeah, all right. In the back? Yo. Does this camera go home? Can you view this on your computer too?
I can see it, yeah, home. Yeah. See it, you're home. Follow like I'm not.
So your wife knows we're here then?
My wife, no. She's not looking there completely like that.
And this is the good. Take a watch what's happened at the store at your house.
No, I'm good. I'm like I'm.
Yeah, well, how many use it as evidence? We're just showing drug paraphernalia, so we got to go video. You get yourself on video showing drug paraphernalia. It's illegal, boss. It's illegal. Oh, you have like 7 or 8 eyes. Yeah, all right. It's free right here. Is there more downstairs?
No. I'm not
There's one over here. There's one out. Listen to me. There's one outside. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 in the aisles, and there's one right here somewhere. There's one in the back. No, you cannot call anybody. Not right now. Okay. You cannot call anybody. Cooperate with us. Everything's going to be cool, okay? I'm working this already. Should be all right. You live in Jersey?
Yeah, my wife come and get me.
Is that your, whose white van's that?
That's my wife. She got that wrong college, you know.
Where's the key to it?
Key to the store?
I need the key to the store. And also, where's the key to the van? You got the key to the van? No, there's a key to the store. Right.
Yeah, always my key.
Okay. This is
your van. Yeah, so my wife is coming there.
Okay. And you got the key to the store too? Yeah. Hold on now. Yeah. You're available for that date for No, fucking told him. You got a ladder in here, cuz? In the back? Yo. Does this camera go home? Can you view this on your computer too?
I can see it, yeah, home. Yeah, you're home. Follow like I'm not.
So your wife knows we're here then?
My wife, no. She's not looking there completely like that. Just like I'm not here.
Okay. Hey, Sarge. Come here. There's one in the van. He can be viewed at home. Anybody, not right now. Okay. You cannot call anybody. Cooperate with us. Everything's going to be cool, okay? I'm working this already. Should be all right. You live in Jersey?
Yeah, my wife come and get me.
Is that your, whose white van's that?
That's my wife. She got that wrong college, you know.
Where's the key to it?
Key to the store?
I need the key to the store. And also, where's the key to the van? You got the key to the van? No, there's a key to the store. Right.
Yeah, always my key.
Okay. This is
yeah, so my wife is coming there.
Yeah. Hold on now. Yeah. You're available for that date for No, no. Fucking donor.
You got a ladder in here, cuz? In the back?
Yo, does this camera go home? Can you view this on your computer too?
I can see your home, yeah. See your home. So, like, I know.
So your wife knows we're here then?
My wife, no. She's not looking at the computer like that. Yes, like, I'm not here.
Okay. Hey, Sarge, come here. There's one in the back corner right there. They can be viewed at home. Okay, we'll disconnect. That's right. And this is the good, take a watch what's happening at the store at your house.
No, I'm good.